Hi friends, at WP Themes channel we have covered almost all the great education WordPress themes. Somehow the Aduma, which is considered to be number one WordPress education theme, was remained unrecorded at this channel. So we brought this Aduma WordPress theme in this video, and the earlier versions of Aduma was having some trouble in the demo import. This is why it remained unrecorded for this channel. But now we got the latest version of Aduma, in which all the troubles seems to be resolved, and I don't want to skip this great WordPress theme recording for this video and for this channel. So in this video we are going to install Aduma WordPress theme, which comes with 20 plus premium demos, and it is all-time favorite theme for the education websites, and it has all the features which you need for education and related activities. So Aduma is WordPress theme. Basically it is also called education WordPress theme, and it has been developed by ThemePress. They are Power Elite authors, of course. The theme was developed in 2015 only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. In this video we are going to install Aduma WordPress theme along with the demo content, and we will also preview the theme options and the customization options in this video only. Stay tuned, as you have a reason to watch this video until end. You never know what features you are going to get with this theme, and you have to explore all the possibilities for your website as well. So I'll show you one of the main demo of Aduma WordPress theme. This is the demo website using Aduma WordPress theme, and it is of course having a great look and all features in it. In my personal opinion, Aduma runs bit slow as it carries multiple plugins with it, and I never recommend those themes which runs on multiple external or internal plugins. But yes, Aduma is all-time favorite for the developers making education and related services website. So let us watch in this video what is being brought to you for you and this Aduma WordPress theme. And this is Aduma WordPress theme. Education WP is made for educational web, LMS training center, courses hub, college, academy, university, school and kindergarten, and all these things. Okay, fine. So let us begin the installation without any further delay. For this we have to go in the theme section of WordPress. I have a latest installation of WordPress for this, and I got the latest version of theme pack. This is Aduma version 4.4.6, and I have the theme pack. In the theme pack I got documentation, licensing and Aduma main theme file. To install we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose aduma.zip, and if you are having direct access on your server you can upload the same file directly to WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I wish to show you the theme file size as well. And the theme file size is really well optimized. It is just 8.96 MB in size. It is really a very less volume of size. So theme should work fast, but let us check the demo website. I'll show you some pages, the course pages, free access type, and this preloader makes, okay, so it is fine, it is not bad speed. And we can check another pages as well while the themes gets uploaded at the hosting. Okay, so as I said, it is running bit slow, but yes, okay, so you can choose this theme for your education website. Now let us check. Yes, it has been uploaded, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. Okay, the extraction outcome is this Aduma folder in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here, and now we can delete the zip one, it is not required. Both activities of uploading the theme are same. Either you can upload directly to your server, or you can use whatever WordPress interface to upload the theme. You have to choose any one. And since we have uploaded the theme, we can go back to the theme section of WordPress, and now we have Aduma as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Aduma version 4.4.6 and it is a premium WordPress LMS theme. Let us activate it. Upon activation, we got landed on the welcome page of Aduma, which is saying theme core installer should be installed and activated first. Let us do this. And it has been installed successfully, and now it is activating theme core, activating theme core. And now it has been successfully activated. You are redirecting to Education WP theme dashboard. Okay, so now we are on Aduma theme dashboard and it is being loaded now. And this screen is saying that we need to read all the instructions, and the documentation are always online, and you can check all these features and documentation set. Let us proceed to the next step, and it is saying, asking for basic credentials. We can save it, and now it is saying that we should log in with the Envato, but we can skip this step. Okay, this screen says we are on plugin installation screen now, and Aduma theme has been installed, and we can take a look of website just for a moment. And this is the basic look of Education WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content and all such necessary pages and information. So we are on the plugin installation screen, and this will not go through until we log in with the Envato account. And if we click on install and activate, this message comes, login with Envato, and which we are not going to do in this video since we are just illustrating the theme. And I have another options. You can simply skip this option, just skip it, and now we have the option to select the required demo website, and you can choose any of these demo website for importing the demo content. as you need, as per your choice and as per your requirement, and everything is available here. And now I am choosing the very first one, and you can filter here either Elementor or Visual Composer or even Site Origin. So Elementor is more trendy nowadays. I am choosing Elementor, and the main demo is available in the Elementor. So I am choosing the very first one and simply clicking on install. It says pre-import, required plugins, theme options, main content, media file, widgets, and slider evolution. From here we can import the demo content without logging with the Envato account. So this is important. I am simply clicking on import, and now required plugin set is being installed, and the screen is saying the progress, what is going on, and it will certainly take around 5 to 10 minutes. So we have to be on this screen. This progress bar will tell you everything. If your server capacity is fine, this will go well, and if you are not having exact server, all the required set of hosting core vitals, it will not go through, and you have to check your PHP settings and all the credentials. But here it is going on, and if you are ordering the theme at WP Themes channel along with the hosting plan, you shall be getting the same capacity server as you are watching on the screen. So you have to take your own decision, either you are having a good capacity server, or you can even choose to have a pre-installed theme with WP Themes. So all is yours, and only theme is also available. I am adding the link of my website in the description of this video. You can follow that link and get the theme or even the hosting plan or pre-installed theme. So we have to wait on this screen without refreshing or leaving. Let the process to be completed. It is going to take time, but your due patience is required. And required set of plugins has been installed now. Now the system will automatically move for theme options. And the theme option installation has begun, and it got installed easily. Main content is going to take time, and again the progress bar is running to show you the progress. And now the media file is going on. Main content has been imported, and media file is also going to take some time. And now we reach to the slider revolution import, and it is going on now. And I believe we need to increase the media file settings. So what we can do, we can increase the media file set size in the media setting itself. It can be important for you because sometimes the media file size are greater than the preset value of WordPress. So this is a tweak. In fact, if the main images import stocks and the system is trying to upload the images having greater size than the default value, so there is a setting called media, and we can simply increase these values. I am randomly increasing, it is not like theory. Okay, just save it and it is going on still. Okay, setting is saved. And the process is of importing the slider evolution is still going. We can check the slider evolution part. Here is the slider evolution. Okay, so there are many home page 55, 54 in fact. Okay, so these are huge numbers in fact. This is why it is taking time. So such a great number of content I rarely seen in the demo content. This is why it was taking time. And the earlier version of Aduma WordPress theme was also having the same issue. The demo was having multiple images and full of content, and generally users don't have server capacity like to import all such big number of images and contents. So we can see all the sliders has been imported and the backend, and the process is still going on. So we can check the page, in fact leaving this revolution slider page, and we can check the pages since all the content has been imported, and we can see the revolution sliders here. Page should work, and if it is working we can skip this step. It is in fact, and let us go to the pages, all pages, what number of pages we got in the demo. Okay, so there are 46 published pages here, and LearnPress 4. Since one process of import is going on, this is why it is a bit slow, and Aduma is not so fast as I told you. These are the LearnPress default pages, and we can go back to the all pages. And let us check what number of pages and which pages we are having in the demo. This is account, all courses, cart, checkout, courses, FAQ, gallery, home is here, Elementor home is here. And let us check another set of pages. While it is going on, let us check. Yes, okay, so it is having another set of pages like members and all such things, my account, portfolio, profile, reset password, and the third page is here again. And it is also having some pages. So we got all the pages here, and sliders are there, all the contents has been imported. So we can check the home page, how it looks. and something good is loading after these activities. We have already done all the parts of installing theme, plugins and demo import and also things. Okay, so Staggered Revolution is still not here, and yes, it is here. It is great. So the installation is complete. It is clear now. Installation is complete and we have done the complete part, and we can skip this screen now and just refresh this page. As we got all the contents through this screen, and sometime this screen is stuck, never mind. And now it is saying customize. We can go for next step and customize your site. Congratulations, you are all set. Now customizer is on screen. These are the options. This is basically theme options. So let us check. Logos can be uploaded from here, and layouts options, site layout, header, content, wide and all such settings has been given. Styling, primary color, secondary color, button hover, button text colors, and rest of the settings. Social share, typography, extra features, auto login, smooth scrolling, preloading. You can disable the preloaders from here. In fact, utilities, custom CSS and JS, sidebar and 404. Okay, so these are the settings, and I was just looking for home page setting. In fact, header and main menu is here. Okay, so these are the settings available in the customization options, and for rest we can go to the theme options and we can complete this part first, and it is visit view your site. Okay, so home page is still not set here, and we can simply do it from the setting section since it is not available in customizer. So under setting, reading is here. And you can select a static page, and the home page can be selected here. In fact, there are number of pages, multiple number of pages here, so we have to find the home. Home is here. Okay, so I have completed the setting of home page, and now we will check the menu. Menu is under appearance tab. Okay, this is menus. And it is really not so fast as required. This is being the main reason it was not selected earlier for this channel. We have certain parameters to bring themes on this channel. We always focus on the fast loading website first, because Google has clearly announced that only fast loading website will work for SEO and the ranking activities. And you can see it is not so fast as we want in the current scenarios. So menus is here, manage locations. And we can select menus. It is about courses, links, main menu, supported. So primary menu can be selected as main menu. Hit on save changes. Okay, so we can now refresh this page. I believe home page is set now, menu is set. Okay, so it got loaded after. Okay, so complete website is here. Wonderful website, of course. Just drawback is the speed. Rest of things are here, and we got a wonderful website in this activity. Courses are here, features and all such features has been given, and even shop is here. So installation of Aduma WordPress theme is complete here, along with the demo content. And now I'll show you what we got in the demo. First of all, I wish to show you the plugins, what set of plugins we got, since we have not selected the system installed all the plugins. So I'll show you the plugins first. Okay, so it got landed on another page. It is bbPress page. Again, I am going to the install plugins. Okay, so we got 19, in fact 20 plugins. Okay, one is mine. 19 plugins in the demo. During the demo import got installed 19 plugins. Elementor, BBPress, Contact Form 7, Eduma, Demo Data, Elementor, LearnPress, BBPress integration, LearnPress course review, LearnPress course wishlist, LearnPress paid membership, Pro integration, MC4WP, MailChimp for WordPress, paid membership Pro, Slider Revolution, Theme Core, Theme Our Team, Theme Portfolio, Theme Testimonials, WooCommerce, and WP Events Manager. It is a big number of plugins. In fact, this is why the site is slow. Okay, so we got all these plugins installed in our website, and let us check what else is available. Eduma we have already seen, so getting started already used, import, and so all. LearnPress is here, so LearnPress is maintaining the course listing in this theme. So I'll show you one course, what fields are available. Here are the course fields. So heading, course descriptions, general, pricing, extra information, assessment, author, forum, course membership, and all such information for a particular course. And this is the course featured image. Okay, so you can handle all the course related things here: courses, lessons, quizzes, questions, orders, statistics, add-ons, and settings. Event managers is here. Post media pages are common things as in WordPress. Our team is new. Testimonials, AE templates, memberships, contact, portfolio, WooCommerce, and rest of things are common as in WordPress. Slider Revolution is here. We have already used this. Replies are here. Topics, forums. It is for BBPress activities. I believe I have shown you enough things about this theme, and you can customize the home page using the edit with Elementor option. So editing with Elementor is always simple, and I'd rather advise you, if you are editing the home page, take a backup of page using any duplicated plugin, and rest you can do simply. Even a non-technical person can do this using Elementor page builder. And Elementor page builder is here. You can simply click on the area which you want to edit, and you shall be able to edit the contents. It is very simple. So heading is here, and rest of description is here, and these things are coming from the courses, so you can handle these things in the courses. Content can be edited simply, and all things are fine with this theme now. Okay, so we have completed the installation, and I wish you must have some question for this theme, and you can get in touch directly with me following the link given in the description of this video. Along with the theme, you can get the theme there. And I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel. I am going to bring wonderful themes, plugin, and utilities for you. Keep building. Thanks for watching.